Hi, dear loving children. Last class we have learned about the different types of beaks in birds and the features of birds. Just recall what you have learned from the previous class. What are the important features of birds? Birds have different types of feathers and they have different color also. They eat their food with the help of their beaks. They have boat-shaped body so that they can easily move into the air. Birds lay eggs in the nest and they look after their young ones. So, different types of beaks you can see in birds. The shape and size of the beaks depends upon the nature and food habits. Just recall different types of beaks in birds. Vulture and eagles have sharp, hooked-like beaks. Woodpecker has chisel-shaped beaks. Hummingbird and sunbird have thin, long, pointed beaks. Ducks have broad, flat beaks and holes on their sides. Now, we are going to study about second portion of this lesson, Unit 5, Birds. Today, we will study about the movement of birds and kinds of feathers and how do birds fly. Now you can see the new words of these lessons. Hollow bones is a special kind of bones you can see in birds. There are air sacs in the bones of birds. Upstroke means there is a special kind of movement you can see in birds. Downstroke also is a special kind of movement you can see in the birds. Direction means path. Flight feather means feathers helps to fly. Plumage means group of feathers. Have you ever wondered how do birds fly? Birds fly with the help of their wings. There are two types of movements you can see in birds. First one is gliding. If the bird is gliding, it will have its wings is in an extended position just like an aeroplane. Just see, this way bird is fly. It is called gliding. This kind of movement is called gliding. Just like an aeroplane, birds move into the air. Second phase of movement you can see by jump by bird. So from branches to branches, they jump. That is a kind of movement. Why can't we fly like birds? Because we have heavy bones in our body. But birds can fly very fast because they have light bones in their body. So, see, there are four important reasons for helping birds to fly. First one, we already learn the word hollow. Hollow means there are small air sacs on the bones. It will help the birds to fly. So first one is birds can fly very easily with the help of hollow bones so that light in weight. Second one is it has boat-shaped body so that they can move easily into the air. Third one, birds have strong muscles. With the help of these strong muscles, the wings can move very easily. Second, third, fourth point is tail of the bird helps to change the direction while flying. Tail of the bird helps to change direction while flying. So last class also we have learned about important feature of the birds is feathers are covered by the entire body. So they have different kinds of feathers. So there are three important kinds of feathers. First one is down feathers. These feathers are very soft and fluffy like cotton. They keeps the birds warm. Just to see, this is a down feather. It's keep the bird warm. Second important feather is body feathers. You know that body feathers cover the entire body. They give bird's body its shape. You can see the body feathers of the birds. It is a different birds. You can see the different kinds of body feathers. Third important kinds of feather is flight feathers. These kind of feathers we can see in the tail and wings of the bird. Long flight feathers, you can see the tail and wings. This help the feathers smooth and help the birds to fly. Children, do you know that these feathers cover the entire body? So feathers of birds are oily. They do not wet. Have you ever think it that how do birds fly? There are two types of movements you can see while birds fly. First one is called upstroke movement. Second one is called downstroke movement. So you know that bird flies by flapping its wings. Look at this picture. You can see that bird flies by flapping its wings. Bird first hoops up into the air, then flaps its wings up and down. This upstroke makes the wing move forward and backward. Move forward and backward. This kind of movements you can see birds. It is called upstroke movement. Next movement you can see in the birds. It is called downstroke movement. Here you can see downstroke movement makes the wing move downward and forward. Bird changes direction using its tail. Here you can see that. Here This picture you see, this is called downstroke movement. Here wings move downward and forward, downward and forward. This the bird changes its direction using its tail. Here also you can see that downstroke movement in the birds. First they move downward, then forward. So it is called downstroke movement. Here you can see the upstroke movement also. How do they keep their wings? This type of movements you can see in birds. So the collection or group of feathers is called plumage. What is the meaning of plumage? Group of feather is called plumage. Few examples are peacock and parrot. They have bright plumage. You can see they have bright plumage. Some other types of birds, they have dull plumage so that they can hide very easily or they can escape from the enemies. Next, different birds fly at different height. For example, eagles and vultures, they can fly very high. While flying in the sky, they can see very small animals like rat and chicken on the ground because they have sharp eyesight. Another bird is sparrow. They fly very low. They fly very low. Next, another example, peacock flies for a short length. Some birds fly for a short length of time, but pigeon can fly for long distance. Look at this picture. Here you can see peacock. They have colored feathers. And how do they fly? Look here. They fly for a short length of time. Another example, ducks can both fly and swim. Look at this picture. There are a number of ducks you can see. They move, they can fly and they can swim also. But penguin can only swim. You see the color of the penguin? White and dark in color. Next, some birds cannot fly. For example, emu and ostrich, they cannot fly. So, name two flightless birds. They are emu and ostrich. They cannot fly. They are called flightless birds. Example, this is emu and this is ostrich. Second question, name two wading birds. Wading means water birds have long legs. For example, cranes and herons. Cranes and herons are called wading birds. What are the different types of feathers birds have? Next question. Question number 3. What are the different types of feathers birds have? What are their functions? Different types of feathers are, first one is down feathers. They are very soft and fluffy like a cotton. Down feathers are soft and fluffy like cotton. They keep the bird warm. Second type of feather is body feathers. They cover the entire body. They give shape to the bird. Third one is flight feathers. Flight feathers are present in the tail and wings of the bird. It helps the birds to fly. Just recall what we have learned from this lesson. We have learned there are different types of movement you can see in birds. First one is gliding. Second one is the second phase of movement is jump by bird. While gliding, birds keep their wings extensively and just like an aeroplane, that is called gliding. Second phase of movement is the bird jump from the branches to branches. Next we have learned about different types of feathers. Down feathers, flight feathers and body feathers. Down feathers keep the body warm. Body feathers cover the entire body. Flight feathers help the birds to fly. Next, we have learned that there are two types of movements you can see in birds while flying: upstroke movement and downstroke movement. Upstroke movement, wings of birds makes its wings forward and backward. Downstroke movements, birds make its wings up, downward and backward. Then next we have learned about birds fly in different height. Eagles and vultures can fly at very height, but sparrow can fly very low. Peacock can fly short distance and crow and pigeon can fly long distance. Ducks can fly and swim, but penguin can only swim. There are some birds they cannot fly: ostrich and emu. Now, based on this lesson, we will do worksheet. So, fill in the blanks. Dash fly very high. Read textbook and find out this answer. Ducks have dash feet. Dash feathers keep the bird warm. Birds build dash to lay eggs. Birds have dash bones. Birds' feathers together form its dash. Birds like dash and dash. Dash also. 3 blank is there. You have to find out which is the answer. Next, last class I had given One assignment for you. Wonderfully, some children have made it wonderfully. So, same way, all students should do this assignment of collect 5 feathers of different colors and sizes. Stick them in your scrapbook. Write the name of the bird. So, write answer very neatly in the notebook. Some students are carelessly writing, so it is very difficult to check the answers properly. So, write and study new words and question answer in the rough notebook 2 times. Then only it will improve your handwriting. So, read a textbook 2 times very loudly. So, next you can see and you can watch one video of how do birds fly. Thank you, children.